Hello, Georgia Nunn here with Magic of Juicing, wishing you a good day and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to do a recipe that's going to help your high blood pressure. When you're tired of that high blood pressure, the good news is you can lower it by juicing. I'm going to share a recipe today that does exactly that. It's going to help you with lowering your blood pressure. And you only need 5 ingredients. You need 1 apple, 3 to 4 sprigs of mint leaves, 2 to 3 handfuls of spinach, and 1 stalk of celery, and a little sparkling water. So let's get started. Let's start with our apples. Apples are known for cardiovascular benefits. They've got well-documented research on apples in the cardiac area. They have a lot of soluble fiber called pectin, and it has polyphenols, and they help in lowering your LDL also. And I'm going to add our mint. I'm going to add 3 sprigs of it. Mint relaxes and smooths the muscles in the intestinal tract. Then we're going to use, excuse me a minute here, get my tray. Catch my pulp here coming out. That's not too good having to come out on the counter. We'll add some spinach here. Spinach is a popular vegetable used in salads, but it's also excellent to use in juicing because it's got powerful antioxidants. Spinach contains peptides, which are small pieces of protein that researchers have discovered that several peptides in spinach can help lower blood pressure. I'll tell you about a couple more ingredients that's not in this recipe, but kale and beets are also good for lowering blood pressure. Then you need 1 stalk of celery. Celery cools the body. It's actually great to have in the summer drink. And celery will curb your appetite. So you don't want sweets all the time. It's a good source of potassium, but not only that, it regulates your heart rate and helps lower your blood pressure. We got our ingredients together here. Stir these together. You got a beautiful green drink here. Pour it into your glass. Then add some sparkling water to that. Isn't that pretty green? This will help keep your blood pressure normal. It's very good for your arteries. And if you want more recipes, you can get them at www.magicofjuicing.com. And this is Georgia saying, juice to your health.